Hey guys, did you know that you can use text to speech to create amazing coloring pages for your kids, for your toddler, for adults? It doesn't matter which age, you can easily create some amazing coloring pages. Now, the website, as you can see on my screen here, is ColoringBook, AI. And if you head over there, you can even get started for free because they allow you to test this out. What's even more cool is that their paid plans is really not expensive. Let me show you. So as you can see here, guys, I currently have an account, and you can simply go over here and sign in with your Gmail. And if I go to, for example, upgrade plans, you can see that you can get started for just $7 per month, right? And you can really create some really amazing stuff. And you can see, you can compare the plans and see what you want. If you're just getting started, the price is super cheap. And on top of that, if you want to even turn it into a business, you can really do a lot with it, because you get, for example, a professional account, you get 1,000 coloring books that you can generate per month. And for the business one, you get over 5,000. So that's quite a lot of pages, right? Now let's get back to testing and exploring. What you want to do, guys, is just simply go ahead and sign into your account and go to the dashboard. And you can see right here that I've generated some pages, and I've put like a Lamborghini here, and I have this page here that I've generated, and I can download that as well. Now, to actually use text to speech, as you can see here, you want to go to the left side, and you can easily click on text to coloring pages. You can come here and you can type in whatever you want. So you can type anything that you want and just start to generate it. Now, as you can see, I'm on my free plan, and I have just about 4 credits in total. I used 2 already to generate this Lamborghini here, as you can see, but I only have 2 more, and I will use that to do something really fascinating. And you want to go ahead and just simply go to text to speech, and you can just type whatever you want. Type whatever you want. It will take basically 2 credits, I believe, to actually allow you to generate it, as you can see. And you just need to go ahead and just type whatever you want, and you can choose if you want it for a toddler, for a child, for a teenager, for adults. This is going to decide how the complexity is going to be of the design, and you can choose a dimension. Of course, you can do that in batches as well. These are some premium features, so you need to have an upgraded account to basically do these things. But you can see at the bottom that it's going to take 2 credits. But as I said, I really want to use those 2 credits for another task. But all you have to do is just simple type whatever you want, and basically click generate, and it's going to use the 2 credit. This site actually works, so I would recommend you test it out for free before you actually decide to pay if you want to upgrade. And yeah, as you can see here, I've tested out by uploading an image right here, and you can see the image that it is generated for me, and it's super cool, super accurate. And I can even do online coloring. I can download it as a PNG. I can download it as a PDF document, as you can see here, and you can see the original image, and you can see what it has done. So it's amazing. I think you can even see side-by-side comparison. Really cool stuff, guys. Really cool stuff. So check it out, guys. ColoringPage.ai, and yeah, it's ColoringBook.ai. And yeah, go ahead and test out the text to coloring page. I think it's going to be really nice, and you should check it out. With that said, thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.